In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a producer tag with AI. Step-by-step tutorial. A great producer tag is short, memorable, and matches your sound. Start by deciding the vibe you want. Keep it punchy with just a few words, use a signature phrase, or go for something energetic and hype. If you make atmospheric music, a soft whisper tag can be perfect. You can also layer a voice with a simple sound effect to create a double tag. A few idea starters are prod by your name, you already know, certified heat, or next up. Say them out loud with different attitudes to feel what fits your brand. Now let's generate the voice with free AI tools. With 11 labs on the free tier, type your phrase, pick a voice, and preview the result. Adjust speed and pitch until the cadence hits right, and explore options like emotion and speaking style to add character. When you're happy, download it as an MP3 or WAV. UberDuck is another solid choice if you want bold, characterful voices. Enter your line, choose a style, generate, and download. Aim for voices that carry energy or a distinct personality. For a clean, simple tag, try a basic text-to-speech site like TTS-MP3. Pick a male or female voice, enter your phrase, generate, download, and quickly test it inside your DAW to make sure it cuts through a mix. To make the tag truly yours, process it in your DAW, whether that's FL Studio, Ableton, Logic, or Cakewalk. Nudge the pitch slightly to find a tonal pocket that feels unique. Use EQ to clean mud, cutting lows around 100 to 150 Hz keeps it clear without thinning it out. Add a small amount of reverb for space, then a short slapback delay to give it bounce without blurring the words. A touch of tape saturation or gentle distortion adds warmth and grit. If the tag fights your kick, set up a light sidechain so it ducks subtly and sits in the groove. For extra impact, consider tasteful sound design. A quick whoosh before or after the tag creates motion, an impact hit adds weight. A reverse cymbal builds anticipation, and a layered 808 boom can add power for trap or drill styles. You can craft these manually or try AI sound generators to speed things up. When you're done, export to WAV at 24-bit for quality and headroom. Name it clearly, like tag your name style.wave, and drop it into a dedicated producer tags folder so you can drag it into any session fast. That's it. Clean, branded, and ready to stamp your beats.